So I got to do a O2 bung in this exhaust. This is the inlet. It goes over and then comes out here. That's the outlet. So we're going to do an O2 bung. The customer put the little circle where they want it done at. And then I've drawn the straight lines. And the reason for the straight lines is I'm going to clear this has been ceramic coated. So I need to take off all this ceramic so I can weld to it. And then here's the O2 bungs that we use. You can see it's got steps, so it's going to actually submerge down into it. So I'm going to have to clearance all this so I have some good metal to weld on right there. And you can do this on these as long as there's no leaks. You got to make sure there's no leaks upstream, because otherwise you're going to lie. And this is going for fuel injection. So this customer is doing our 48 IDA fuel injection system. So we can't have leaks, period. No exhaust leaks. But so I'm going to clear this out, drill it, and then go ahead and weld this baby in. And you can see it's a little bit of an angle. It's not like level. It's purposely over. I think he said there was something right here. I don't remember what it was. There was something framing or something right here. So that's why it's not going straight up. So it's just a little bit of an angle just to avoid it. All right, let's get to this. I just used a little hair grinder with a pad on, a little aggressive pad to take that stuff off of there. Drew the lines. I got my center punch, basically. I'm just going to put it right there where I need it. That looks good. And then, well, let me put this somewhere. As you can see, I redrew my lines here to give me my crisscross point. And I got my little center punch there. Spring-loaded one. Alright, that looks good. What's the text? Give me some depth. There you go. There's my little divot. And I'm just using a unibit. I'm going to drill that baby out. Well, I need both my hands. I did take it and hit it with a hammer, which basically dented the top of the curve here. You might be able to see it. It just basically dents it a little bit to get this to sit down so it fits better on the edges. Now we're going to go ahead and weld it. Except for I'm going to clean that up right there. As you can see, it's too close and I don't want to booger up my weld. Okay. Let's put that back on there. Kind of snaps there. That's nice. Yeah, I don't even have to weld it. We're done. Oh, wish. Nope. So let's take it over and take it. That is welded up, and we are done with this. Beautiful mufflers. So why are we doing this again? Because we do fuel injection here, and if you need the O2 sensor added to your exhaust, or if you want to purchase the exhaust and have us add O2 bung to it so that you can run fuel injection, we do that here. Woohoo! Next.